Guess what we get to do today? We get to test a 16-meter free ride. Ross is letting me borrow his free ride. 16 meters. I think like 8,000 feet of elevation to take off. But I don't know, should work, right?
Okay, so this is a 16-meter free ride, and we're gonna fly it in Tahoe. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Fly someone else's wing. Can you tell I'm nervous? I think I'm breathing hard. No Maybell, because I don't want to have to worry about her towing on the wing. I really like the colors. It's so pretty. Get you all fluffed. FreeRide. Look, I got like sponsors on it and stuff. How awesome is that? Okay, she's all set up. We'll go catch up with these guys. It's supposed to fly fast, so yeah. Boom, 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 bang, bang, bang. We'll have... Whoa, that was heavy. We have onboard coffee. We're a little heavy for testing a new wing, especially one this small. Let's see. Is this thing on? Yep. It's flashing. Should be good to go. Feels good in the neighborhood. There we go. Mitch is getting one of these. It's only fitting that I try it first before your mentor tries one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa! Dude! That thing takes off way easier than the Scirocco. Holy crap! Little bit of like oscillation, great. See how it's oscillating a little bit? Because you have to kind of like actively pilot it. Whoa! Oh, good one. Yep. Woo-wee! Cruising. By hot air balloons. Oh yeah, dude. Talk about like no inputs. Oh man. Yeah, all I would say is way less inputs and a little bit more outside brake to stop it from friggin' doing things so fast. Dude, that thing's awesome. Hey, there's my shadow, and we're hauling balls. oscillating. The Scirocco doesn't do that. This means you have to actively pilot it a little bit more. But dang, dude, for an unrated glider, it's awesome. Great. See, this is why I don't demo gliders, because then I'm like, oh shit, now I want that one. Dude, you gotta be friggin' kidding me. This thing's like flying a speed wing. Dude, it is just like flying a friggin' speed wing. As far as like how much pressure's in the brakes. Woo! Yeah, dude. I wonder how it would free fly. Like, it just seems like it'd be a rad wing to like free fly with. I mean, not really free fly, but like, even like kind of like a hike and fly style. I can't believe it's 16 meters of fabric over my head in Tahoe right now. There's a water skier. Oh my god, Ross, this wing is fucking awesome. So cool. Such a fun wing. Yeah, the only thing is it just like, if you go hands off, it just oscillates a little bit if it's not completely smooth. But other than that, man, this thing is awesome. Told me I need a telephoto lens because I see birds and then they can't see them. That's a really cool woody boat. Oh, dude. Nice boat! Hey, there's my shadow again. Yeah, so I'd say like the only difference between, well, not the only drawback to flying a FreeRide as opposed to a Scirocco is FreeRide just requires a little bit more active piloting. I always like the colors right here. Bam!
Tea house.
like you to meet my friend Harley. Harley is the first paramotorist to ever fly in all 50 states. He flies a Black Hawk frame with a Vitarazi 185 and a 18-meter snake. Dick snake. There we go. Shadow.
Oh, little birdie.
Yeah, definitely have to fly hands-on with this thing a lot more. The Rubicon Trail. Find Rooster Rock from the sky. Don't want to piss off any eagles. Have them take out Ross's wing. That would suck. Have to buy a shredded FreeRide because I pissed an eagle off. They're fishing.
So hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My GoPro dies and I don't get the approach back, but that's pretty much half the flight. We spent some time flying around and found the hot air balloon, played around with it for a while. What I will tell you is on landing, definitely took a lot longer because it has such a great glide, and when you start to flare, you flare really slow with that wing, otherwise you just start lifting back off. But that was my first impressions of flying a 16-meter FreeRide. The density altitude was right around like 8,000 feet that day, so pretty good test. Was really impressed by how quick it pops over your head. I was also impressed by the speed at which it took off. It took off and started climbing at a pretty low speed. And I was impressed by the climb rate. And it's so much fun to play around with. Just the only thing that you're sacrificing for a more playful wing is that you can't just stow the brakes and sit there and drink coffee under power. It'll start to oscillate you around. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you think someone else might benefit from it, please share the link directly to them, and please subscribe. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.